This is the closest I've ever been to a bird.
What do you want to name it?
Let's name him Cheetah. Right? The patterns?
Cheetah seems like he's like staring boldly in defiance. And what are you gonna do about it?
Yeah. You think this is a sign? Should I reach out to it? I mean, I was close to it. You saw it.
Yeah, I thought you accidentally touched it.
I was just taken aback because I've never actually been this close. I was like, what the hell is that thing doing to me? I don't know why I'm taking video of it. I might as well just say hi to it. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
I think he just peed or pooped.
Aw, did he poop?
Or peed. Maybe because he was nervous. Sorry.
We're just gawking at him like we're a bunch of tourists.
He's probably injured.
Well, there's nothing we really can do. We could adopt him.
You can call the town. Or, Humane Society.
Yeah, he's most likely injured. What do you think happened to him?
Maybe he's just really wet and he's waiting for his wings to dry.
Really?
I don't know. I don't know anything.
There's just this bird sitting there for some reason. Oh. Well, now it's gone.